Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to your Photon wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to do this, first you will need to generate and download your Photon trading wallet. This is the only option how you can do this and how you can connect it. So make sure, for example, if you have now logged into to your wallet, you need to click to generate and obtain your Photon trading wallet and private key. So you're going to click generate, and after that you will see your wallet address. You're going to click and drag to the right to reveal the private key. Your private key will not be displayed again, so you make sure to save it and put it somewhere safe. So slide it to the right and click continue. After that, I already saved it. You want to go ahead now on Phantom Wallet, open it up, and here at the top, once you will click account, this menu bar will pop up, and once you will scroll down, you can go ahead and add and connect a wallet. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to go ahead and import a private key. Enter the private key, enter Photon, and click import. And after that, your Photon wallet will be imported here to your Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.